Got a big logging operation. Not really, but also clean this tree at the end of the laneway. So Moz will finish this tree and get it cleaned up. So when I cut this tree, I notched it, but it still wanted to lean towards the road. Even putting the blocks in and stuff like that, it just wanted to lean. Had a lot of limbs on this side, on the right side, but the left side had nothing, so it's just hard to convince it to get the weight. But then I hooked a chainsaw on, hooked it up to that little wee shrub tree. It's only about 4 inches of a base at the where it comes out of the ground. But anyways, we'll clean all this up. Little logging operation. Another load of brush. Well, got a few sticks on back, but anyways, I got a section there. It's probably 20 feet. I'm just gonna drag it up closer to the shop, and that way accelerate cleaning this job up. Still at it. That piece there is about 15 feet, I guess. Well, I had to put it in 4-wheel drive low, and it's doing it nice and easy. Big gray line logging operation. Got a vine trailing along. Well, the vine broke off, but that's alright. Don't need any hitchhikers. Slow and steady will get her. My drag marks for my logging skidder. Right on, getting her. Well, a couple little sticks to pick up, but no big deal. We're getting there. So I just backed the truck up to there. There you go. Rolled the log over there. Good enough. We'll split it up another day. But at least now it's cleaning up things around the property. Too bad there wasn't a skid steer here, but sometimes you just got to use what you got and get her done. Cheers, everybody.